Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today we are hopping into Easter. For the first project, I am going to be using this blush color and it is chalk paint, and of course I'm going to be using this throughout my video. And the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be covering this entire wood box with one coat. I also have this beautiful shape bunny head, and with this pink acrylic paint, I'm gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat. Later on, I come in and I distress it with the color white only because I thought that it was a bit too bright pink for me. You'll see. Before I decide to distress it, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the border in white as well. I'm taking these two rabbit feet and the lower portion here, I'm going to be giving it one coat with white acrylic paint, and I'm going to do that to both of them. And now the rest of this bunny foot, I'm gonna go ahead and use that same blush color. This is gonna turn out so absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing, of course, to both of the feet, bunny feet. Once I am done, I have this gold marker that I purchased it at Dollar Tree. You probably be able to still find that item there at the Craft to Square section. And all I'm doing is just tracing it. I painted these wood beads off camera. These are going to be the legs, but before I start gluing it together, let me go ahead and take this tag off. I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing all these 4 wood beads on each corner, and once I'm done gluing them, I'm going to come back and I'm going to distress that bunny head with the same blush color. I'm going to cut this popsicle stick into 2 pieces, and one piece I'm going to be using it to attach the bunny head to the wood crag. I want this to look nice and finished, so I came back with some more blush color, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish this section. And now let's go ahead and glue these beautiful bunny feet to the front of this little wood box. This came out so beautiful. I think this is my favorite one from this video. This is absolutely gorgeous. You could add floral, fill it up with little plastic eggs, or even candy, cookies. Well, the options are endless. For this video, I'm going to be filling it up with fake flowers, but first I'm going to add some floral foam with some hot glue. We want to make sure that this stays in place, and I am going to be adding 2 plastic eggs, and this will be it for this beautiful arrangement. I am loving it, but of course your opinion counts, so leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you are stopping by for the first time, this young lady here waggling her tail is my little girl Diva. You will see her all the time as I am crafting. And now the final review. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY. Today's an open collaboration. hopping into Easter. Brenda from Rustic and Lacy DIY, along with Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, are the hosts. Please make sure to visit these talented creators. The playlist along with their channels will be linked down in my description box for your convenience. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like to their channels, and don't forget to let them know that I send you. And if you are coming from one of their channels, I am so honored to have you here. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I would love to have you as part of my growing family. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second DIY. This wooden box I am going to be recycling. I'm gonna give it one coat with this blush color along with the inside walls. I'm going to help the process here a little, applying some heat, and then once that is completely dry, I also went off camera and I took the word Easter and I painted those word letters in white. And now I'm going to go ahead with some hot glue. I'm going to place them individually inside the box. So let's go ahead and brush all of this, make sure that all these glue hair are off, and then I'm coming in with this little burlap bowl that I made off camera, and I'm going to be gluing it with some hot glue right here in the corner, along with some greenery and a beautiful purple flower. So we also want to hang this on the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of hot glue and glue this jute twine right up here. And this is it for this beautiful little plaque. I am so in love with this one. Last year I made one that said mother, and I'll leave the video down in my description box so you can go ahead and take a look at that one. But now let me show you the final reveal. I'm going to be removing this metal piece because I'm not going to be using it, and this was pretty easy to remove. I'm not going to be doing too much to that little bunny because I like it just as is. And this little picture frame, I like it, but we are going to do a couple of changes, not much. I'm going to try to remove this. It was a little hard, so I wind up using this little spatula here, this Cricut spatula, and it just flew away, but we'll find it later. The first thing that I tried to do was giving it one coat with this acrylic paint, but then I realized that that was a mistake because this burlap was just sucking the paint all the way through. So I decided to add some heat so it can dry, and then plan B. So I decided to go to my scrapping paper, and this one was the one that I was going to be using. But you are going to notice something. Do you see those polka dots right there? Yep, there's 2 in 1, and I did not notice. So I started to add the Mod Podge. Once I started to add the Mod Podge, then those 2 papers came loose because the Mod Podge was already on this scrapbook paper, so I decided to use that one, okay? That's the story. It was not meant to be this polka dot one. It was supposed to be the pink one, but no big deal. Both of them are beautiful. I'm gonna proceed to place it right inside the frame. This is gonna turn out so pretty. I did like it once it was all put together. Once everything was nice and tucked in, I came in with the jewel cord, and I am going to go ahead and place it around the border just to make it look nice and finished. And I'm going to add some hot glue to adhere it to the board. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn this lighter on and burn the fuzzy hair off for a clean look. And then we're going to go ahead and proceed to adhere the bunny rabbit on top of it. I'm taking 2 wood cubes, and I'm going to be putting one in the lower part of the rabbit and on the head. Gratitude to all my subscribers and those considering joining the community. Thank you for being here until the end of my video. If you enjoy the content, your support through subscribing, sharing, and liking is truly appreciated. Hit the notification bell button to stay uploaded every time I upload a video. Explore the playlist for more inspiration, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video. And now for the final reveal.